Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with a card share video. Today I'm joining hashtag 2crafters1design and hashtag SatMoreMakes. For 2crafters1design, that's Melissa, who's most creation, Lisa, you see I'm a diva, and Gloria with Girliers Cards. They picked a theme each week and they asked you to use that theme in your crafting and share your designs on Saturday. SatMoreMakes is Jill. She's Jillian Norwood Design Greenwood Girl Cards, and she likes you to just craft all week long and share any of your crafts on Saturday morning. So for 2crafters1design, the theme this week is masculine. So I made masculine cards. So this is perfect timing for me because I had ordered a card kit from Simple Stories, which I'm showing you the paper here. It's the Simple Stories Rustic Legend. And I ordered it because I've been kind of challenged recently with creating cards. And so I figure if I order this kit, it'll be really easy to follow the directions or just kind of follow the card designs and make some cards. And that's what I did. So the kit comes with enough ephemera and cardstock and everything to make 8 cards. So on the back of this sheet, it shows you all the different cardstock and the die cuts, and it also has the white card bases, which I don't use. So it also comes with a sheet to give you step-by-step instructions on how to create your card. So let me share with you the card designs that I made. So first up is this super cute one. It's Euro Classic, and I'm just using the ephemera and the card, the paper they provide. Super simple. I did layer it. Now that's the difference with my cards and the designs. I'm always gonna most likely layer my cards, so I did just layer with the black cardstock from my stash and Basil black cardstock. That's one card, and then here's another one I made. Super cute designs. Not really things that I normally would make. You know, I love die cutting, and probably 8 out of 10 of my cards have die cuts on them. But these are cute. It's plaid to know ya. And the next one is this one here. And then I popped up some of the ephemera. Just kind of give it a little bit more dimension. And the next one, it says, dude, you got grit. I think that is really cute. This may be my favorite card. Once again, I layered it with cardstock from my stash. And here's one more. Classic never gets old. Happy birthday. It says vintage vibes. I really like this one a lot too. And this is something I normally wouldn't do. It'd be used like stripe paper with, you know, a different type of pattern. And I think it works. And my last but not least was I used a larger card base. This is a 5 by 6.5. And this is, you know, what normally would be on the smaller card. But I can just kind of like hang this off and a little bit of the star off. And then I matted it, you know, with the black cardstock. So that's my card share today. And this is Simple Stories Rustic. I can't think of the name. Rustic Legends. Sorry about that. So let me know below what you think and which is your favorite card. Well, now that I see the boombox, I think that may be my favorite. But here they are once again. Really simple to use. So thanks for watching. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you haven't subscribed, I would appreciate if you would subscribe and hit that notification button to know when I'm uploading a video. And thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.